we come to the elevator at the Macy's over at the South Hills Village Mall. We're on L1. It's a Westinghouse traction elevator. PA Elevators has filmed this one before. There's the alarm. EPCO. Nice doors. This is a traction elevator. I love the way this button's pressed. Love the way the button's pressed at this one. And there's the drop key. Here's the directory. Here's the directory. Sorry for the misconception. Songs here. Love the flooring. And this is a great, I'm off to a great start of the South Hills Village series. Here it comes. The South Hills Village series. I'll give you a look at this panel here. I love that metal panel. I just love Westinghouse. Here it is. Gotta talk over that. Oop.
Excuse me?
Sorry.
Not a problem.
Westinghouse. U3. U3? Oh wow, EPCO circle line. EPCO flush line lantern. Yep, these are tracked. Sorry for the long wait time. Oops. There's the telephone. These are EPCO. Nice cab. Here are 3. Watch that light up. There we go. Nice bell. Let's get a cab view. Very nice elevator. There your fixtures are EPCO. EPCO and flush line. Inchline lantern. Sorry, I thought that was flush line. Stoppia 2. Going down. Which floor? Stoppia L1?
Yep. Thank you.
It's a Westinghouse. I like the cabs. Got to talk over that. No handrails. There's your telephone. Sorry. Wow. This is a traction. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Nice bell.
Okay.
There it goes. And